Hey guys, welcome. Today I'll be doing a review on the WD Black P10 external hard drive. This is a 5 TB. I've been looking into more expansion since all these media files nowadays, movies, games, and everything, they just keep getting larger and larger. So I think 5 TB should be good enough to hold me for a couple of years. I've had good experience with WD in the past. I only had one basically, but this is got this old one. It's about 10 years old. I haven't dropped it, so it's been working fine. I also had a Seagate 2 TBs, which is about 5 years old. So these are my two that I previously had, so I'm expanding to 5 TBs, and I just put a bunch of files in there. So I'll be doing benchmark and just to see how it performs. It's obviously a spinning drive, so it won't be as fast as anything SSD type. I'm just hoping it'll last me a couple of years. So it looks really nice. I like the looks of it. It's black and white, mostly all black, I assume. So today we'll be doing an unboxing and just checking it out. So okay, so here we go. Looks really nice. Feels a little sturdy compared to the old ones. It's plastically. That feels like cheap plastic, honestly. This one feels like a little metallic type, little plastic, but it feels a little much sturdier. Yeah, I love the look. Looks really nice. So it's not as alarming as most people buy color ones. Kind of like the simple black and white one. So and your regular manuals, warranty, instructions, and your cable. So should be straightforward, and so let's see how it performs. So for my real test, I'm going to be transferring a large file. So this one is MKV file, about 30 gigs, and this is on Evo Plus Samsung M.2. We will be transferred to the WD Black. So that took about 5 minutes and roughly about 120 megabits per second. So now I want to transfer a file from a traditional 3.5 to the external drive. Okay, so this is going to be a 21.5 file. I'm going to transfer and see how it performs. Alright, there you have it. This so you have an idea how it performs from a transference file. Um, Performs any traditional 5400 RPM external hard drive. I'm just hopefully it'll last me a couple of years. Might look into maybe plugging it into a PS4 or something for game files or just any typical usage for your PC. So if you have any questions, just write it down in the comments below and I'll try to get back to you.